What the hell? That Z1000 really... Okay. He makes his own racetrack, whatever. He wants to taste the power of the Z1000. Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and kitties. Thanks to K Cervical at Kawasaki Crib in Katipunan Avenue in Quezon City. And I'm taste testing the W175 SE. This bike is not available in the US. But to show you, my fellow American riders, here you go. This is a tinier version of the Triumph Bonneville Manabe W800. Okay. Before we start, ergonomics check. I'm 6'3", 200 to 220 pounds with a 35-inch overall inseam and a size 13 foot, and it feels like you're in W800, but a little smaller package. And let's start it up. It has that slow wind up feel to it. It feels significantly lighter, and this is only a 175cc. So this type of engine size is basically common in Southeast Asia, not in the North America. So now I don't know if there's data on this bike, but hopefully there is. This bike is as basic as you can get. No gear shift indicator. It still also has an analog tach. And let's go. It has a very slow engine response. Oh wow, it's so light. Holy crap. I thought it's gonna be like, whoa. It's like the steering wheel is slow to respond at some degree. Whoa. I gotta be very careful in this bike. I'm not used to riding a bike like this small. I'm used to bigger bikes, but it's okay. I just want to know how this bike feels like. The front steering feels it's like floating. Very tossable. Whoa, scrape the pegs on that one. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. Oops, better not scrape too much. I'm just using first gear. This bike doesn't want you to lead too much. It's like the 883 Harley. Tossable. It feels different. It has its quirks. Whoops. I mustn't lean this bike too much. I have to lean more than the bike. I'm only using first gear because I think it's the perfect bandwidth for a course like this. Almost scraped the peg again. Oh damn. Okay lady, the Ninja 400. The front brakes is very tactile. There's not enough play either. The rear brakes is a little bit mushy. The clutch bite, I haven't even tried that clutch bite yet. Let me just try the clutch bite. Clutch bite. Okay, it bites around 85 to 90% towards full release. Very tossable bike. Whoa. I'll just do 2 more laps and I'll be fine. Nobody wants to follow the intended line of it. At least I'm giving it a little bit of a show for these people here in Parang Marikina at the playgrounds. One more lap, then we're done. I can't see the tach, so I don't know how it revs. And we're almost there. I'm basically comfortable in this bike, but I'm still, as you can see, I'm a little bit too big. Alright, we're done here. And I'm gonna ride other bikes now. So, easy to put it to neutral. Off. Off. It's just like the W8. That one. It has the same silhouette as the Bonneville, but in a far tinier package. It has a 125cc. I think it's single, but it's so smooth. It doesn't let me move this a little bit. See, it's so light. I can move it from here. Give him a little space. So there you go. It has the same silhouette as a W8, like that one over there, on a lighter, tinier, and more economical package. And I think this would work in the US because the Tri-Bonneville is expensive for starters. And I don't know if the US has the W800 in the US. But this is a good, affordable package. Alternative to if you're a fan of this type of British style cruisers. So as you can see right there. Alrighty. Thanks very much. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Hit the subscribe button and the ding dong next to it. And I'll catch you guys later. Also my website, lapid.com. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.